Notes on machine operation. After unpacking the machine, to prevent not affect the electric scale accuracy, loosen the strap and remove the foam board. Here the foam board can kept for next use. When we remove the machine, step on machine wheel and lift the machine. When put down the machine, also step on the wheel. Notice here, do not step on the tank or the scale. When received the machine, the valve is under closed situation. When operating, need to open it. After finish, remember to off the valve. Now we turn on the machine, and the machine enters to clear interface. At this moment, HP and LP gauge is 0. Press start and it will stop automatically about 4 minutes. Or if the gauge drop below 0, we can press 3 times stop to end the operation. Clear mainly used to drain the non-condensable gas in the tank and hose. How to charge the inside tank from outside. Find the same size connector with the refrigerant tank and connect it. And check if it's stable. Here we use LP hose charging, and now the coupler is open. Close it, and under the closed situation, pull it and connect with the refrigerant tank. And make sure the connecting is stable. Then turn on the coupler and the tank. To make sure recover the liquid refrigerant, we need to revert the tank here. Now the gauges both rise. Press recovery and start. It's better to recover 3 or 5 kilograms in first time. When the weight near to 3 kilograms, put the tank upright. Close the tank. And waiting the gauges drop to 0, press stop. Here we don't need drain oil, so we press stop directly. Then we close the LP coupler and remove it. How to recovery. Under the closed situation, connect the LP and HP with the car. After connect, open the coupler and press recovery and start. And waiting the gauges drop to 0, press stop. Start drain oil. The amount of drain oil can be used as a reference for oil injection. Press stop after there is no oil drain. How to vacuum and inject oil. After recovery, the 2 gauges pressure is 0. Press vacuum start. Choose the time. Different situation with different time. Finish, gauge drop below 0. Here we can have a leak test for AC system. Wait 1 minute and check the gauge situation. Here, inject oil. Put the valve arrow to inject oil. After finished, put the valve to off and press stop. Now vacuum and inject oil finish. How to charge. Put the valve to on situation. Display show the work tank weight. Press charge, enter the weight according to different car. And here we enter 500 grams and start to charge. The gates rise simultaneously. And after finished, put the valve to off situation. Press stop and check the gates situation. Please pay attention here. Open the car AC system and close the HP coupler. Put the valve in on situation. To ensure the refrigerant charge into the AC system totally, here we can have a charge compensation. The refrigerant in HP hose can charge through the LP hose into the car AC system. After finished, close the valve and the charge finished. Machine maintenance operation. The vacuum pump oil usage time is 600 minutes. When reach time, the machine will remind automatically. Turn on the oil inlet. Prepare the screwdriver and turn on the vacuum pump knob. Drain the oil and close it. Enter the new oil. The amount should be between the two tick marks. After finish, tighten the oil inlet. Press menu down arrow. It will show the oil time. Choose change oil, and the password is 4444. Press start and stop. Recheck the oil time is 0 now. Then click stop to exit. How to change the dryer filter. Dry filter can filter 60 kilograms, and the machine will remind automatically. Remove the strap and the screw. And put the tank in a flat place, and be careful not to bend the hose to avoid leakage. Remove the screws and the back cover of the machine. Here, be careful not damage the machine parts to avoid the leakage. We use wrench to change the dryer filter. Here notice the arrow direction is downward. And back to the keyboard, press menu, down arrow. We can see the dryer filter weight and choose change filter. Password is 3333. Press start and stop. Recheck the dryer filter. Now it's 0.